Salute tuna for outside the country people them. Inside we strong number them for this afternoon. We go take una enter for side with the column Sepola. Now from Konsamba for inside Evangelical Church for Cameroon. We hear say church it no be happen for day on Sunday. For say the church people them. They say they don't want their pastor again. Say all money where they don't give him. Pastor, he don't carry him. He put enough for a pocket. We go talk that one this afternoon. Now so to go take una. We talk concerning us where they put on top chair the paramount chief for four people them. Now for that size for Kumba. Just now from a Koko Mukete the fourth. He go the lookout. All problem for Bafo community and even people them where they shidon inside Kumba. Toritu for this afternoon, we go take una enter for side where they call them say Bello. Now for Bamenda, Northwest region, we hear say compared to other year them, where Bello we get now only 60 picking them where they go school. This year at least 300 picking in the school and first school living certificate, common entrance, even GCE plus other public exam. Plenty picking them the way they go right. This one, na talk way this so he come out for a big mayor for inside Bello Council, Oga Innocent, as well they be she done inside their council session where it be passed this weekend. Waiting the latest update for Corona, we go talk that matter, and also too we go take una enter inside waiting when newspaper them get them for we this afternoon. Country people them auditory them ide and big people them talk to it tell we no matter waiting day for front, frog no the jump go for back. I say no matter waiting way it day for before, frog you know the jump it go for back. Big people them talk, na Papa Sime Dido for Germany, where would the text tell them to say Asia for the loss, for side for Cameroon here. Now he say for we return back small time. Salute for outside this morning country people them as well. Now don't hear from we strong number them Tori day and weekday inside the Tori proper inside Tori for this afternoon. Country people will go start now for Mongo division inside Littoral region. We take una go for church where they call them say Evangelical Church for Cameroon. Now the one way they for Pola from Konsamba country people. Now people them that way for Sunday they be get for dinner for inside church house. The prayer Papa God the name, but plenty of this church mommy them even picking them all them they be she done then for outside as well Tori enter for we ear. Now for outside where they be sing all the church the God song they sing them then they dance them for outside. Waiting provoke these people themselves for she done for outside for inside Polar congregation for place where they call them Konsamba. These church people them they vex. I say waiting they vex for sick I say pastor what wanna this year they blame am say he don't chop all money or he don't take money pocket am money where they ever give am for offering one day where they talk say they want send am for the big church. All money, they go for the big church, and even one them where they get for use and for make church, go for before. Money, never show, and the church, just did the same. Since we take am now where the people themselves say they talk say, okay, since we that money no day, and they also ask them who say on our own contribution for the one, who say on our own contribution, answer no the come out. Now why that way the church people them, they say no. On Sunday, no church for them, and even pastor too, he no go enter for inside church. Now so the whole pastor for outside, and the other church people them, they say they want Sabisa way all that money, he don't go. Last, after where people then turn out for door church for plenty time, church, it no happen, and now so to the shing. They say no nothing, it no go pass today. Make we see some of the messages we see them on top the board them for that side. This one, they say Pastor Kunge, come out. Now the thing that way they write them on top this one, as well they put them for door church. Another one where we see them on top this same matter with church people them. They come out for outside for inside Polam. They say waiting this parish for Polam, it no get pastor again. So they indirectly they announce say themselves say they don't send pastor for by force pension. They want they say for 9 years where it don't show say no get power. Pastor come out. They say no way for Pastor Kunge as well now they see them all the one them so they say na problem for money where it force them as well they don't talk. This their own choice for Polar. They say make the big man for EEC. He look inside the matter in the proper. Bring new person. If no be so, now so the thing it goes so continue. for the happen. We go left that one for church. We no go fi never finish. We go take una go just now for that side. So for East Mongo Presbytery, now for inside Bonamusadi, country people them, we write Reverend Funky Samuel and even the senior clerk, where they call him Mickey Hans Abia, and even a man where they call him, we get Emmanuel Masok, when are the people them, whether they ever follow right Reverend Funky Samuel, they be there for inside Bonamusadi for Sunday. Gandowe, he carry all the people them come for inside Bonamusadi, he be there. Now for put on top chair, the new Presbytery Secretary for Fako, for Mongo, we get our Presbytery for Mongo East, as well as Sabi, where he been a Reverend Ayuk Jones Ebot, where he says he can shidon on top that chair like the new PS for East Mongo, and he be then a one way this all right Reverend Funky Samuel to take time for talk for the new big man for Mongo East, for say the work where they don't give, easy at all, so now I get for the gather and for CCA, all people then they find so now the Reverend that, so they call it Reverend Ayuk Jones Ebot, way too, they put it on top chair, we get people them like Tumfo, Barrister Nico Halloway, they be there for inside and Gando, we get even Honorable Malumba Isembe, where he says he be there for inside Bonamusadi, and plenty other big people then, so just now for Reverend Ayuk Jones Ebot, for continue from side where the other person will be she done on top. 11. Now the work at that, we write Reverend Funky Samuel Imekam for Douala here. We go left church matter, we take una enter for this fire, we cash on Sunday. Now for some place where they make glass them for inside 3 more. When I go see them say before the people them even wait, they know if even get a patience for say make army rescue people them, for Commander Kadri Abdiel made them say they come, for come look on the fire. Now them say when they start for launch the fire, as well the fire, it be already start climb for zinc, it be burn. Sabi say if they know they do am so, or if they know for start, maybe the fire for continue small, it continue for burn the zinc and it burn other places. This fire we hear say it is so na a short circuit where it provoke the fire. As well talk na place where they make glasses them. If you want mirror, you go for there, they fix them for you, or you want do your block house where they can put glass them. Now them where they do that kind of work. So now for there where the fire be cash on a Sunday, and one time where they be the lost the fire, we see them to say waiting, say it is so, army rescue them to they come up from Godi, Sabi say it no be dey easy, but them say they be come quick for come see say make the fire continue for the burn, or make it no burn inside the whole that place, as we wanna say so wanna see country people them. It be then a chapter for say make the army rescue people them to take their time, as well they put their pipes them, Sabi say na for the way all their thing that they be pass pipe for common water. Now so to them to the last can join just now with the population where they be don't start for lost the fire, all them they join hand for lost the fire. But Sabi say as we army rescue the lost, now so to the fire it be so continue for art on top zinc as well na the same, so they be take their own hammer, broke the place, then they enter just now for the way they start for lost the fire in the proper. No person no die, but some of the thing them inside that place where they make glass, plenty of the thing them burn, as we wanna take una ICM, and even some machine them to the burn. But army rescue it be try for do its own work, as we wanna see them for day. Inside Kumba official since Saturday from Ekoko Mukete the Fort, he don't chop each chair official like the paramount chief for all Bafo people them inside Kumba or for even outside Kumba. Now he just now way he go the lookout all thing the way concerned Bafo people them. Then Gando he pass for Kumba this weekend, as we wanna say so na this year make we take una enter back for that Gando ground. Una see as we from Ekoko Mukete the Fort, he drag the stick way they give him like stick for power for it. We forget that no comment from Kumba. Official as soon I don't see him for them from Ikoko Mukete the fourth. He don't chop it here like the big man, the Oga Kwata for all but for people them for that side. We go remain for inside Meme division for talk say Tory people them and even Tory people them for Equinox Story House. They don't join up for say waiting make the left this Tory man with the call Prince Moni Banjo Masongo, where it is so we hear say a boy there with a gun, the tiffy as well they be one go bury Ida Papa, Chief Moni Pendian Fende for that side for Cotton Barumbi this weekend. We hear say apart from Prince Moni, when a Torima where the thief and go hide them, even die body to the be Sisam, plus one of the pie picking where it be don't fair being honorable with the here. This one it happened this Saturday as well they go bury their papa will be then a chief for that side, so for inside Koto Barumbi. So Tory people they talk made the left Prince Moni Banjo Masongo where it dey so it dey for boy their hand and Congo side the enter we here say the boy them the people there they thief and go hide them they ask now 500,000 francs before they go leave them. Now Tory man and we say Usabi say when the kind of thing that they happen they know the thief go hide Tory people them for Sika said now them say that they talk Tory as well the country Ediwaka. This one it passed this weekend on Saturday as we Tory enter for insight we hear. For place where they call them say Lebialem, na this one way don't the turn all for social media. Where the yes and people them too with gone where they do for side for Lebialem for Allah as we Tory enter we hear. Or we go to look this image as we the thing the pass. For now, place it dey quiet, but small time when I go see the first uniform people the motorway they pass. That one it go pass, it continue to go. For backside it show say people they where they film am where they show am for the film to the pass. Another motor to come pass as soon as see am so the motor to pass no nothing he no do am as we Tory he enter for we here. Now the last motor where they pass just now for the last motor where he will for the as we bam it just open as soon as see am so now for inside allo for Lebialem with this one he pass to this weekend and one time the uniform put there they be there inside that motor all them when I go start see as well they will run start come out for outside after with their motor they walk up on top some bomb way it chakara for their skin now just for tell we say even as so they continue for talk say hey place it don't be quiet place never start quiet at all for inside place them like Lebialem and the place where I don't just come out for talk for inside Koto Barumbi where they go to put there. So now uniform put there that where they run come out inside the motor with the here say the same thing happen for side where they call them say Bamenda Northwest region too. This same weekend where another uniform put their motor explode for as way they put trap for this. So where they also talk now say waiting Governor Cameroon, it don't start on a small picking back that. So maybe now I get the key for see as soon as we solve this problem. The one now inside Lebialem where it happen for tell we say true. Place is never over there quiet as we will be the check. Place is also there some kind. Now it means say when people they work up, they get for the open their eye. Inside Bello for Northwest region, country people them, councillors them for side for Bello, they be meet up inside this weekend where it pass and it be dinner time, country people for say make they try for see as well they go make thing them turn up again for inside Bello. Now for see why that where even the mayor where they call him Oga Innocent, it be take time as well the councillors them they be meet up for see as wey dey fit make thing them e turn back, and even teacher the way they be dey sabi sef say Bello e be one of that town them wey e dey no be don get things them, but councillor or even the councilman e talk say they don try for do thing them. They get 2 bridge wey they don build am. One e dey for 80% work, they don struggle for open road them. 2 market they dey struggle for fix am. Light they don give am for some other people them, and with the here say e dey so water e be now another thing wey they dey struggle for do. And so all the one them na wey mayor e talk am as wey they meet up with councillor them for inside Bello for talk, even as we place in the Kene the people them for inside Bello council with the mayor, they don't turn so they do see say this year at least 300 picking them they register for inside schools them compared to the 60 where they don't ever they enter for inside school. Just now make we hear way to the mayor for inside Bello council there he talk for the microphone.
For that level for school we dey just try for tell Bello people say Bello no get forest, Bello no get sea, Bello no get petrol, Bello no get minerals like gold and silver, but Bello get resources wey na human resources. So we fit only talk time we don go school for Bello. So the only thing we get na resource, human resource. We no dey like people wey dey get other riches like for water where they go catch fish, for sea where they go hunt. We no get that one. So Bello man na time where you don learn something for true. School for we no go only be na school for big book. No, na school for learn something. Carpenter, bricklayer, welder. That one you get for Bello, you must learn something. If you don't learn something, you no get use. You no get use. So we work on it with the parents. Make the parents they are coming to us in their numbers for see how school then go start back effectively. This year we don't try. We thank the parents they don't send their picking there for school. They go write first school in write common entrance, write GCE, write other big exam them for different country because they don't go school. So we thank that one the way they don't take by heart. Make a main picking and go school for year because for first school we don't get more than 300 picking there they don't register for year. That one a big increase because last year we begin at 60 picking there they register for first school living. This year we get 300 and something where they don't register. And secondary school, GCE and advanced O-level and advanced level, plenty to don't register.
It's not the mayor that for inside the Bello council the way they talk for we country people them but make it not be say as so talk say place it quiet it means say smoke and no the day Bello says it is suffer fine for this problem where they happen for northwest and southwest, and Sabi say the signs them they declare for Bello make we try for tonton for inside the town says for Bello for Shona why we this so it strong for mommy them and maybe even papa them for same picking them for school for that side. So for Bello na go see na house them this way they don't abandon them, even hotel na the same for far away we plenty people them they don't leave them for sick as a place it the job wake up the hot now even a market this one na the same way just they abandon as soon I don't see them. So for that image so Bello to in the year bad this one na place where they burn them for tell we say all thing you know they like a sweet for that side as with the council of themselves they work as see all the burning them for till way don't happen for that side. So for Bello for tell we say even as well they don't turn make 300 picking them enter for school things they know they find the market one at the same so market it don't be abandoned. So some of the things that way they want try for make and say making them they turn back for inside Bello. Just now make we see now total number for corona sick people them inside the whole world. Now the latest update this from John Hopkins University, this number 26 day for April 147,195,389 people them where they don't catch corona since we come for the whole world. 84,885,376 people where they already well. 3,109,449 people that already die inside the whole world for sake this war sick where they call them say corona country people them. And for other country we look inside Nigeria for Buhari his own country inside Nigeria according to the update to get them for corona corona. They talk for we say na 35 new cases wey they confirm am for Nigeria for on Sunday. Total just now since we corona enter Nigeria 164,719. One day they don't well 154,926, and one day they don't die since corona enter Nigeria 2,062 people them we did already die for inside Nigeria as we get them inside Victoria House this afternoon. Country people them South Africa we go enter for day for tell una say for South Africa for Sunday 1,101 people them with the test them positive for the corona sick since the corona entered South Africa. 1,575,471 people that already cashed the sick. 1,501,185 people that already well, and 54,148 people that don't die for inside South Africa since we corona enter for day as we tori enter for we ear. For Palava for this corona, we go take una enter for Baghdad, where the USA hospital, where the lookout corona sick people them, catch fire for that side. So for Baghdad, where the USA total number for 82 people that don't die after the hospital catch fire. 100 people then say they get caught, and as I talk now, hospital is specialized for the lookout corona sick people them. Where the USA na some oxygen cylinder where chakara, then fire, start cash inside that hospital. So 82 corona sick people them they don't die when the fire kill them, and 100 of them where they did for that hospital for inside Baghdad them say they get caught. No be na person said bomb for day, but then say na some oxygen cylinder where it explode inside the hospital where it provoke that fire. Inside chapter for die for finish for Sabi said die body for a Prince Mikodi Ange Gilbert, will be the youngest honorable inside the National Assembly. It don't last go 6 feet for his own village for sideway be she done. Sabi say Prince Mikodi he die after small sick. We honorable them. They be don't already start for meet up for the March session. Honorable O.C. Joshua and other honorable them. They be there for talk last bye right for the village for Honorable Prince Mikodi Ange Gilbert where he die inside active service for that side. So for Yaoundé. Make we take una one time, we enter for small sport, for sport side, with here Francis Ngannou, where he don't win that big belt for heavyweight, for UFC Ultimate Fighting Championship. He go dey Cameroon today, as we already enter for we here. Waka for Francis Ngannou, it go be opportunity too for the young people them, for follow up, and for Sabi, as we he fight, and all the thing them take come. Make we see where to a newspaper then get them for we this afternoon with the Horizon the talk. As when Gomnam, it don't deny that Congo Sawe the tonton for all side. Palava for money where the OAM. You go read to return fund a koko mukete the vote where seseb idon shidon on top chair, and you go read to a consign woo mayor and population where all them seseb they don't shidon for try for see as where they feel build a bridge and where they don't chakara am or where the toxin and people them with a the chakara the bridge. You go read that story for Inside Horizon newspaper. Inside the Guardian Post, one of the strongest number for the a concerned association for chartered certified accountants, where their big man Herbert Mancho, it be happen big meeting with picking them where they never get sense on top these chartered certified accountant. So now for talk for them, say waiting make this picking them. They take time for try for she done for learn more books so that them too they fit do better work. Sabi say since this association for a chartered certified accountants it come out, it be they just one of their first meeting them, and now it is picking them where they never get the experience, so they be she done with them for talk for them how will they use them for get that experience. Now one of the strong number them that inside the Guardian Post on top this association for chartered certified accountants where Herbert Mancho it be the head man inside this chapter. You go read other to read them too inside the Guardian Post to come out outside, una tori man, ambassador, and other tori the way day for day, una fit buy the guide and post for read am plenty and waiting with this association for chartered certified accountant. E talk for this picking them where they just come out for school and waiting where they get for do for be who they get for do. Be inside the post, you feel read tori, Human Rights Watch, where they talk for International Monetary Fund, say may they talk for Cameroon, may they give account for the money where they don't get for them for follow up this corona sick. You go read tori to a consign from a Koko Mukete the fourth where it dey inside the post, and another tori where if you read and two for inside the post, call the people them a consign na other tori them like the country manager too for inside the country here where you too it get small tori for inside the post newspaper this morning or this afternoon. The Star newspaper will finish with them. They tell for we it's a message where Honorable Lifakam Ibilebam for a last day we be chop. You feel read that tori for the Star. The Star too, they try for to give we other small tori them, people them for Minipia and even for livestock we all them too. They don't try for see as well if you get better development. You go read that tori for inside the Star newspaper, and even as we fun a Koko Mukete the fourth, he don't she done on top chair like big man for Bafo people them. Country people, not just some of the tori them that will get them this afternoon for inside Tori House. So the talk again, Asia for Papa Simentido, where the looking for life for Germany today, where he get big dive for country. We join more for talk Asia. Thank you plenty Cedric Suna, where he put camera from before for backside, Ledu Pone, Derek, and even Malis plus Mama Tida, where all them they join hand for Semi Tori Waka fine. Any I want be if Papa God the great, una go surely see me tomorrow. Una hold am tight.